Upcoming Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II. Yes, the Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II is widely regarded as an extremely luxurious car. Here's why it's considered very luxury, and what makes it stand out with a few caveats too. What makes Ghost Series II so luxurious? Refined and bespoke interior. The cabin features high-quality materials like handcrafted open-pore wood veneers, hand-stitched leather, and even a special textile, bamboo-derived duality twill option. UltimateCarpage.com. Comfort and ride quality. Magic Carpet Ride. The car uses an advanced self-leveling air suspension, and the mark is planar suspension system, plus a smart system that reads the road ahead and adjusts suspension, shifting accordingly. Flag bearer system, satellite aided. Transmission plus all-wheel drive steering. On BMW Group Press Club, high-end tech and conveniences, Ghost Series II offers modern digital displays, upgraded infotainment and connectivity, Wi-Fi, USB-C, 18-speaker high-power audio, massaging ventilated seats, and more. Times drive. Customization and exclusivity paints. Interior trims, finishes are highly customizable. You can pick bespoke colors, materials, and finishes, fitting for a car meant to stand out as rare and elite. Yahoo! Performance plus smoothness under the hood is a powerful 6.65 litre twin-turbo V12 sending power to all wheels, yet the car remains quiet, smooth and effortless during driving. The hallmark of silent luxury. BMW Group Press Club. In short, Ghost Series II combines handcrafted luxury, advanced comfort tech performance, and bespoke customization. Everything you expect from a top-tier luxury sedan. Things to consider. Its character compared to other ultra-luxury cars. Some purists argue that compared with the flagship, Rolls-Royce Phantom, or historically highest-end Rolls models, Ghost feels more driver-oriented, rather than chauffeur-driven palace, whale. The interior space, Espita rear, while luxurious, may not be as lavish or expansive as the largest sedans or limousines, so the sense of luxury is more about materials, ride quality, comfort and customization than sheer backseat splendor. Car whale. Because of its combination of luxury and performance, the Ghost Series II is arguably more sport luxury saloon than old-school regal limousine, which is good, but means it has a different vibe than maybe the most opulent ultra-luxury cars. Who is Ghost Series II? Most luxury for Ghost Series II is ideal for someone who wants a blend of handcrafted luxury and fine materials, not just status but tangible quality. Supreme ride comfort and quietness for daily drives or long rides. Modern convenience and technology. The option to drive the car themselves rather than always be chauffeured. Customization and exclusivity. A car that stands out and feels unique.